Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's cleaning video is in collab with Katie LeeAnne. She will also be posting a fall cleaning video, so definitely go check her out. She does cleaning and organization videos. She is also a working mom and has 2 adorable little twin girls and 1 baby boy. So if you need extra cleaning motivation, definitely go check her out. I will leave her video linked down below. And without any further ado, let's get started.
Speaking in tongues, you take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? Just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you act how you do. 'Cause you speak it in tongues, you take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way, but you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and here is a little shot of my entry table because I did not show it in my fall decorate with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!
There's just so much left to say.